guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making how to make a plane that can fly over 20 meters to 25 meters. So let's start. So first, you take these two sides to this side. Like this. And then you put this side to this side. And do the other side. But make sure not to do all two sides. Like this. Take this to here. You know how you make like a normal airplane? So do that weird shape right here. Like so. And here. So like this. Do it one more time on each side. Like this side. It's actually gonna get kind of hard because it's gonna get more thicker as you go. So like this. Make sure to remember to put it back this way. Like this. This. And then you should put out two wings. Like this. And like this. And now I'll be going to the park to show you how far it can go.